There are many products available to choose stand mixers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Classic Hand and Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer is a great option. While it lacks some of the bells and whistles of a more expensive machine, it impressed us with its reliable performance and effectiveness on several recipe types. Unlike many of the other mixers we tested, this model features a detachable base, so you can use it as a hand mixer or reattach it for hands-free operation. When making whipped cream, we found that the stand mixer had no trouble incorporating the ingredients to create perfect peaks in the mixture in a little over a minute. We also used the machine to make cookie dough, and were impressed that the beaters scraped everything off the sides of the bowl as it went, so there was no need to do so manually. Though the mixer started to shake a bit once the dough had formed, the machine sucked to the countertop for stability, preventing it from moving around. Number 2. Kenwood Chef Kitchen Machine. The Kenwood 5-quart Chef Titanium Kitchen Machine, which has a compact stainless steel exterior and is effective for making dough, batter, frosting, and more. Despite being a 5-quart machine, the Kenwood stand mixer is quite compact, so you can leave it out on your countertop without sacrificing tons of space. It comes with 3 different beater types: a whisk, a dough hook, and a K-beater that is designed to mix ingredients together more efficiently. We like that the stainless steel bowl includes handles on each side, making it super easy to remove from the machine without risking a spill or dropping it. When we tested it in our lab, we found that the Kenwood stand mixer had no trouble handling whipped cream, cookie dough, and even bread dough. Number 3. Aucma Stand Mixer. The Aucma 6-speed tilt head stand mixer earned our approval as the best option for cookies because of its large bowl size, useful accessories, and superior mixing capabilities. During our tests, it took the mixer less than a minute to combine wet and dry ingredients to form a smooth, consistent cookie dough. Since the bowl is 6.5 quarts in size, there's plenty of space for a double batch if you're baking for a crowd. We found that the mixer had no trouble stirring the wet and dry ingredients together, without the need to manually scrape the sides of the bowl, making it a truly hands-free operation. In addition to being extremely useful for baking cookies, the mixer also performed well when making whipped cream, forming stiff peaks in the mixture with ease. Number 4. GE Stand Mixer. Kneading bread dough can be a tiresome task, especially if you're trying to do it by hand. While not every mixer is capable of kneading bread dough effectively, many can become quite loud, shake violently, or overheat when working on dense dough. The best stand mixers will be up to the challenge. We were really impressed by the performance of the GE Tilt Head electric stand mixer, which performed well on our whipped cream, cookie dough, and bread recipe tests. While other mixers needed frequent help with scraping ingredients off the sides of the bowl, the GE mixer's rotation is designed to cover the entire bowl, so we didn't have to lift a finger while testing. We also observed that the machine was quite lightweight, making it easier to lift or put away than others we tested. However, this didn't cause it to move around during operation. It stayed perfectly still on the countertop. Number 5. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. If you like to try a wide variety of recipes in the kitchen, you will likely need a bunch of different attachments to get the most out of your stand mixer. We particularly liked the accessories included with the Cuisinart 5.5 quart stand mixer, making this machine a great choice for an everyday baker who prefers variety. This stand mixer comes with a 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl and a convenient tilt-back head for easy access when adding ingredients. It also includes a dough hook for kneading, a whisk, a flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard to prevent splatters. While many of the other stand mixers we tested included these features, we particularly liked how easy it was to operate and clean the attachments on the Cuisinart mixer. Plus, you can add other Cuisinart attachments, such as a spiralizer, pasta cutter, meat grinder, and ice cream maker, to this machine sold separately. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.